You can make any video more accessible with translation. To create your translations for videos, the first step is to caption your video in the language it was created in. Right-click and select Add Captions, then select the language it was spoken in and generate automatically. It will take just a moment, but automatic captions will be created. You can now see the created transcription or captions. You can click on them to edit for accuracy, and when you're happy with them, select Done. Now to create your translation, all you have to do is click the inspector in the top right corner and select Add Translation. I'm going to add Spanish to this video, and I'm also going to select Arabic and add Arabic translations to this video. Now when someone watches the video, they can select the captions in the language of their choice. You can make any video more accessible with translation.